Hi, this is Consuelo Dobbs, and I'm here to do a quick video to let you know why affiliate marketing is the perfect online business for you to get into if you want to be financially free in 2023. And, I've been an enthusiast of home based business opportunities for 20 plus years. And I've been online since the internet has been in existence. And I do know that affiliate marketing is the best business. You know, uh, First and foremost, we can just go down the list here. Very little overhead. There's very little overhead. You don't have to have a huge budget to start this business. You can start with virtually, on a shoestring budget. You know, you can start with just little or nothing. Um, Unlike franchises and your traditional businesses, you really don't have to start with a whole lot. You can start with minimal to start an affiliate marketing business. But what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically you're marketing someone else's products, and you're getting a commission off of every sale that you get. And what you do is you market a website either what the company creates for you, or you can create your own web page. We have a system. I have a system with Powerly system where you can create any type of web page for any product that you want to promote, and you can build a list, and you can also promote that product and earn a commission from that product. And all you have to do is get eyeballs to that website, and then people can buy from that website and you'll get a commission. The same thing with Amazon. They have an affiliate program. eBay, if you drive traffic to their website or to specific products and someone buys that product, you'll get a commission. So that's what affiliate marketing is. You can create your own digital products and sell them online, but one of the best ways is to just sell someone else's products, let them handle the customer service. And that's another good point, that you don't have to worry about no customer service. You don't have to uh, handle customers. It is customer service, but you don't have to handle that. You don't have to deal with that. The company, whoever created the products, they deal with that. You don't have to deal with that. They can answer all the questions, deal with the refunds. All you're here to do as an affiliate marketer is drive traffic to their website and to their products and sell their products. And that's pretty much it. No inventory. You don't have to keep any inventory. That's a huge plus for me. You don't have to, store any, lotions, pills, or anything like that. You can, you can just sell digital products. Everything is digital, whether it be an online course or, just anything, any information how to teach anyone how to better their lives or how to make money, or whatever, how to sell real estate or whatever course. You do not have to store any products. Everything is digital and online. Okay? And you can just basically create your own economy. You can, build your own income. Make as much money as you want. You don't have to, limit yourself, and in today's economy, it's kind of easy. I wouldn't say easy. It's not easy, because a lot of people, they quit on themselves before they get any breakthroughs. But, it's easy as far as there are plenty of tools out there. There are plenty of great opportunities. The only thing you have to do is put the work in. But it's so much easier now than it used to be, because the internet and online space has made it so possible for people to make a full-time income. So, um, that's pretty much the gist of it. You know, affiliate marketing is just perfect. You know, sales. You know, a lot of people don't like sales. They don't like the idea of sales, but you know, in the sales industry, you can create your own economy. And that's what we're about on this channel, is creating your own economy and building your own way, making your own way, not having to depend on and be limited to a job. And affiliate marketing is the perfect online business. It's you know, it's very easy. You can just plug in, you know, at any given time, drive traffic and get sales virtually overnight. It's not always overnight, but it's, you know, virtually overnight. And you can build a list, build an audience, and, you know, get going. So that's it. That's all, you know, I have to say to touch on this subject. You know, it's just perfect. And that's mainly what I deal with on this channel, is affiliate marketing. So feel free to go back and watch any of the other videos and learn about the other opportunities that we have available, you know, to build cash flow. And I will talk to you soon.